Hello and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you the latest updates from the nation and beyond. Have a look. During a media briefing in Orissa, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma sharply criticized Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal for inconsistent stances within his party regarding the Swati Maliwal case. Sharma alleged that Kejriwal's key associates, Sanjay Singh and Adishi, were making contradictory statements, undermining the party's coherence. He accused Kejriwal of engaging in dirty politics, referencing alleged misuse of funds in past elections. Sharma urged Kejriwal to clarify his party's position and maintain consistency among his leaders. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma accused Congress leader Rahul Gandhi of displaying a Chinese constitution during his recent public meetings. In a post on X, Sharma claimed that Gandhi was showing a red-covered document, contrasting it with the blue-covered Indian constitution, which includes the directive principles of state policy. Sharma criticized Gandhi for allegedly opposing the enactment of a uniform civil code, implying that the document Gandhi held must be a Chinese one. Tragedy struck near Guwahati's Birkushi area this morning when a speeding train collided with a group of workers walking along the railway tracks near Narengi railway station. The incident claimed the lives of Shaheenur Islam and Hafizul Rahman and left Sahirul Islam, Sadagar Rahman and Jahirul Islam injured. The injured workers have been hospitalized and referred to GMCH for further treatment. On the rise in drug menace in Karimganj, police led by Superintendent Partha Pratim Das conducted a successful raid in the Kabari Bond area of Patharkandi, recovering 350.9 grams of suspected heroin packed in 29 soap boxes, with an estimated market value of Rs 3 crore. The operation resulted in the arrest of two suspected smugglers, Albab Hussain and Sultan Ahmed. Superintendent Das reiterated the police commitment to combating drug trafficking in the region. A fire broke out in a building in Silchar town located in Assam's Kachar district today, prompting emergency response efforts. The fire has since been extinguished, with cooling operations currently underway to ensure complete safety. Amidst the chaos, a young girl sustained injuries after falling from the building and was promptly rushed to the hospital for medical attention. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma vehemently opposed the idea of providing reservations to Muslims in India during a public rally in Siwan, Bihar. Sharma's remarks came in response to recent discussions about offering reservations based on religion, asserting that reservations were meant for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes as outlined by Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the Constitution. Sharma criticized instances of reservations for Muslims in states like Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. During a public rally in Raghunathpur, Siwan, Assam Chief Minister and BJP leader Himanta Biswa Sharma suggested that if Prime Minister Modi were given 400 seats in Parliament, India could potentially reclaim the portion of Kashmir currently under Pakistan's control. During a rally in Ambala, Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized the impact of his government's actions in Jammu and Kashmir, stating, "Could a weak government have changed the situation in Jammu and Kashmir?" Modi highlighted the shift from past anxieties to a period of development, attributing this change to his administration's decision to revoke Article 370. The Prime Minister asserted the significance of his government's decisive actions in bringing progress to the region. Addressing a public rally in Palghar, Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath delivered a stern message, stating, "We will not worship our enemy. If someone kills our people, we will not worship them but give them an answer that they deserve." Adityanath expressed confidence in Prime Minister Modi's leadership, asserting that under his governance, Pakistan-occupied Kashmir would seamlessly integrate with India within 6 months if Modi were elected Prime Minister for a third term. During a rally in Ambala, Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized the impact of his government's actions in Jammu and Kashmir, stating, "Could a weak government have changed the situation in Jammu and Kashmir?" Modi highlighted the shift from past anxieties to a period of development, attributing this change to his administration's decision to revoke Article 370. The Prime Minister cited the significance of his government's decisive actions in bringing progress to the region.